Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a plant-based salad with pickled onions. This recipe is inspired by Deliciously Ella. Once you have all the ingredients, this salad can be put together in approximately 20 minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome, it's great to have you here. And for all those returning, welcome back. To see how I put this all together, keep on watching. I will be using arugula today for the base of this salad, but if you're not a fan of arugula, you can always substitute with baby spinach. A list of all the ingredients that I have here will be listed down below in the description bar. First, I'm going to start by making the pickled onions. Mince one medium purple onion into very small pieces. In a small bowl, add the onion, the juice of 1 lemon, apple cider vinegar, your maple syrup, and some hot boiling water. Give that a stir and cover and set aside. I will leave the exact measurement down below in the description bar. Next, I'm going to rinse the chickpea under running water, then dry properly. Once the chickpea is nice and dry, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a non-stick skillet and add your chickpea, followed by a pinch of salt, pepper, and some chili flakes. Toast on high heat until it's cooked through and starting to look brown. Once that is done, remove from the heat, allow to cool while you cut your tomatoes, your mangoes, avocados into bite sizes, then finally chop your cilantro. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready to go, it's time to put our salad together. In a large salad bowl, add a generous amount of arugula or spinach if that's what you're using, followed by all the other ingredients including the pickled onion, reserving some of its liquid to use as a dressing. Now that we've added all our ingredients, pour a half of the pickling liquid over the salad, toss well until everything is nicely combined. And there you have it guys, a quick and easy plant-based salad. As mentioned before, this salad was inspired by Deliciously Ella and it's from the book Quick and Easy if you want to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will not miss out on my next video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.